What's up guys, and welcome to Todd Impulse. In this tutorial we'll be learning about the basics of HTML, which will include things like creating tables, adding images, and working with text. This tutorial is highly recommended for beginners and people that are new to HTML. I also recommend you using Adobe Dreamweaver, which is one of the most popular HTML editors around. Before we get started, we must first learn how HTML works. The most basic feature noticeable in the HTML structure is that when you start a tag, you must finish it. For example, these body tags here, this is the starting body tag, which is represented by two brackets and the text. This is the finishing body tag, which is represented by two brackets and the text and the forward slash. This forward slash symbolizes that the tag is finished. This concept is the same all around HTML, and you will notice this in things like creating paragraphs, tables, images, etc. The most basic and essential syntax in HTML is creating a paragraph. To create a paragraph, the first thing you must do is position your cursor in between the two body tags, as so. Then type in the syntax open bracket P close bracket, and then open bracket / P close bracket. Now position your cursor in between these two paragraph tags and type in your text. I'm just going to write in, this is Todd Impulse. Okay, and now head over to your designs panel, and as you can see, the paragraph has been created. To align your paragraph, you just simply position your cursor inside the first paragraph tag over here. Then leave a space and type in align equals inverted commas and type in whatever alignment you want. I'm going to type in center, but you can type in left, right, or center. Okay, and now head over to your designs panel. And as you can see, the paragraph is now in the center. This concept is the same when it comes to images and tables, and you will notice this in the next parts. To change the font of any particular text, position your cursor after the first paragraph tag, as so. Now type in these font tags, open bracket font close bracket, and go to the end of your text and type in open bracket / font close bracket. Okay, now go inside the first font tag and type in face equals inverted commas and just type in whichever font you would like to use. I'm just going to type in Arial. Okay, now head over to your designs panel, and as you can see, it's Arial. Changing the font color is very similar to changing the font itself, as shown before. To change the font color, all you have to do is press space and type in color equals, type in one quotation mark, and you will notice a bunch of colors that come up. Pick whichever color you want. I'm gonna pick green. Okay, and Dreamweaver will write your hexadecimal color and the quotation mark for you. Now I hit design, and as you can see, the text is now green. A table is practically a rectangle that comprises of columns and rows. The columns and rows create table cells. Each table cell can contain any website information, including text, images, videos, flash content, etc. Using HTML allows us to easily edit table widths, cell widths, border thicknesses, background colors, and much more. To create a table, type in open bracket table close bracket, and then hit enter and go open bracket / table close bracket. Now go in between these two table tags, and now you have to type in the table row tags, which is open bracket tr close bracket, and then hit enter open bracket /tr close bracket, and go in between these two table row tags and type in the table data tags, which are open bracket td close bracket, and then open bracket /td close bracket. Now in between these two table data tags, you type in whatever you want, like whatever text you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna go, this is Tut Impulse. Now head over to your designs panel up here, and there you go. But you will notice that this is not really a proper table. Don't worry, this is just because we haven't given it a table border or a respective size yet. And to do this, go back to your code and type and go inside the first table tag and press space and type in width equals open bracket 200. Okay, and now you can see that it's got a size. Now all we have to do is give it a border, so go inside the first table tag again and press space and type in border, which equals quotation marks and then type in 1. Go over to designs panel. As you can see, it's a proper table cell. To add another column into your table, make sure you're in between the two tr tags, as so, and then type in the table data tags again, which are open bracket td close bracket, and then open bracket /td close bracket. Alright, and go to your designs panel, and there's your second table data cell. And if you want to change the width of your table data cell, as I've done here, what you can do is press space, type in width equals inverted commas, and then type in whatever width you want, but make sure it's less than what we have here, which is the whole table width. So you can make it 100, and go to your designs panel, and as you can see, the width is 100, and the width of this is 100, and the width of the whole table is 200, as we have here. Now to insert another row into a table, it's a bit tricky, but it's basically the same thing. Make sure you're out of the first table row tags, and you type in the same table row syntax again, which is open bracket tr close bracket. Press enter, then go open bracket /tr close bracket. And now you have to add in some table data cells, but make sure it's the same number of table cells as we have here on the first table row. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. Okay, and hit your designs panel, and as you can see, a new row has been created. To add or insert an image into a web page, the first thing you should do is position your cursor where you want to place the image. Okay, then type in open bracket img, which stands for image, press space and type in src, which stands for source. Okay, and then go equals, type in 1 quotation mark and click on browse. Okay, and go to whichever image you want to place. I'm just going to place this one. Okay, and then at the end of the file path, go / and close bracket. Okay, and now go to your designs panel, and as you can see, my image is inserted into the web page. That's it from us today, guys. Please feel free to check out our website at tutimpulse.tk, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and if you didn't like this video, we'll be happy to have some feedback and just post it in the comments below. Thanks.